Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by planning the route and prepping materials. Measure from router to destination and add roughly 10% slack for bends and future moves. This avoids tight pulls and signal loss. Choose Cat6 for gigabit needs or Cat6a if you want future-approved 10 gig performance, and gather a drill, fish tape, crimper, grommets, and a tester. Once you have tools, mark wall plates and access points. Make sure to note attic access or crawl spaces before you cut or drill any holes. Now you drill and fish the cable through the house framework. Drill a pilot hole at the chosen lower entry, then a finished hole at the attic or upstairs wall and insert a grommet to prevent chafing. Feed fish tape from the accessible end through the wall cavity to your starting hole, attach cable securely, and pull evenly. Jerking can damage conductors. Keep at least 6 inches from electrical runs to reduce interference, and once the cable is in place, staple loosely in joists to prevent sagging. Finish by terminating and verifying the connection. Strip cable carefully, arrange pairs to T568B color order, and punch down into keystone jacks or crimp RJ45 plugs. Neat terminations reduce return loss. Then use a cable tester to check continuity, pair order, and length. If a pair fails, re-terminate that end. Once passing, mount wall plates, label both ends, and seal any wall or attic penetrations with foam or caulk to block drag.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.